All right, so we've got another flat tyre. Seems to happen a fair bit with us, but a lot of the time it's sidewall damage. But today we've actually done a nail. There's a big nail in the middle of the tread, so we're going to just do a bit of a puncture repair with one of these. I call them sticky wicks, but that's just what we used to call them back in the day. But yeah, that's a puncture repair thing. So we're going to have a bit of a run through of how we do it, just in case you need to do it at any time. Alright, so what you need when you get your kit is you get a couple of things. If you come in here, we'll just have a look what we got. So this is the reaming tool. So pretty much when you pull the nail out, you have to rough up the surface. So you pretty much have to pull it in and out a fair bit and rough it up. And you'll also get a whole bunch of wicks, is what I call them, at the plugs. You'll get some rubber cement, and you have to supply your own tools to get the nail out. So as you can see here, we've got a nail pretty much deeply bedded in there. The only thing with these is you can't repair sidewalls or anything like that. It's mainly just for the main tread. So if you have anything through the sidewall, it's game over pretty much. You either have to take it to a tyre place, and I think usually they'll tell you the same thing. So this is mainly just for right in the guts of the tread that you can do it. So anyway, what we'll do is we get the wick and we pretty much push it through the hole. You'll see a hole there. You push it through there, and it's got a little opening, so when you actually put it into the tyre, you pull it out, it slides out through that hole. So pretty much you just get it in there like that. Then you get your rubber cement, you put a bit of goo all over the plug like that, and get that ready. So that's sitting there ready to go. Now you'll have to put air in the tyre. It's easier with air in the tyre, because then once you pull it out, it'll hiss out at you, but then you really can feed it, so then the tyre doesn't deform or anything like that. So we'll pretty much sit that off to the side over here somewhere there, and or to there. Able assistant, beautiful. So if you come in, we've just got to try and get this out. So you just got to be careful, pretty much just got to try and get it. You can hear the air coming out now. You sort of wiggle it a bit. You just got to try and remember where that hole is. That's why it's good to have air in it, because then you can hear it and see it. There we go. So now we use our tool. And just roughing up the hole in and out. Just make sure it's a nice circle, nice clean hole to put our plug in. Alright, so we'll pull that out, get our wick. So I want to push it in a fair bit, because when you pull out, it's going to want to pull out as well. So there we go. Give it a bit of a hold, and just, there we go. So you can see there that it's plugging the gap. All the cement, the goo that you put on it is rubber cement. So that'll go hard, and it should form a good seal. And then the other thing you can do as well is just with your side cutters that you use to pull your nail out, you can just trim these off a bit, just below the tread. And that way they're not going to get caught on anything. Yuck, beautiful hands. And yeah, so that's it. So that's how you do your plug. Obviously the whole idea is a temporary fix. If you're out on the road or whatever, you can do that. Ideally, you'd want to take it to a tyre shop, and they'll actually can do a proper plug repair from the inside. It's a lot better than what this is, but this is just a temporary fix to get you to the next town or wherever you can fix your tyre. So yeah, good little trick, good little thing to have in your tool bag. Easy, couple of hand tools, about 30 bucks from Super Cheap, I think, or you can get ARB ones and all that sort of stuff, but they're all pretty much the same stuff. Get you out of the poop anyway. And on a side note, if your missus tells you she wants to go travelling and camping, and you got to sell the muscle car, don't have to. Have a look at that. Mustang with a tent in the back, that's all you need. Anyway, that's Mark's tips for the day. See you next time.